Welcome back. This is the train channel. We have an OC&T's very short freight train. Check it out. Roll it. There you go. That's a quick one here, huh? That's a short one, and one of the quickest freight trains I've ever gotten here on the Train Expert channel. Symbol is OC&T Alco 75. That train originates to Titusville, Pennsylvania, or to Rouseville, Pennsylvania it is, and terminates to Titusville, Pennsylvania, all on this Tuesday, August 29, 2023, from Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube. Alright, that's gonna be it for these petroleum-centered trains. We'll be back on with this Drake Well train. Talk to you later.